Today's lesson is the fifth lesson in topic 12, number line, fractions greater than 1. So what we are going to do today, we will solve two types of questions. The first type is like these questions. These questions, each number line has equal lengths marked. Write the missing fractions, as you can see, my heroes. And the next, we will divide the number line into equal lengths, then write the missing fractions. It's the same, but this time we will divide it by ourselves. To start, my heroes, please open your books page. What page is this?
34.
Thank you, Hazem.
635.
Amir, thank
Or
you.
634.
634. And now, my heroes, I will play a video. Please do not use your mics unless I call your name.
How can you use a number line to represent fractions greater than 1? Think about this question during the lesson. A bunny hopped 7/4 the distance of a trail. How can you show this on a number line?
Number lines can also represent fractions that are greater than 1.
What is the whole? The whole is the distance of the trail. On the number line, the whole is the distance between 0 and 1. What is the denominator of 7/4?
Select your answer.
Muhammad Raed.
Teacher, we don't have one is called Muhammad Ra'id.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. It's not good. Okay, thank you, Hazm. Rida Ali? Rida Ali?
Yes!
Okay, Rida, go ahead. What is the denominator?
The denominator is 4.
Yes, the denominator is 4 because the number in the top, it's the numerator. The 7 is numerator, and the denominator, remember, D, down. The denominator is 4. So, thank you, my hero. So, my heroes, let's start the 4 and continue the video.
The denominator is 4. Divide the whole into 4 equal lengths. Each length is 1/4 of the whole. The numerator is 7. There are 7 lengths of 1/4. The point showing 7 lengths of 1/4 can be labeled as 7/4.
Okay, focus with me, my heroes.
Select a point on the number line to explore fractions.
Let's do this. I will take them one by one, point by point, and I will start with the 0. So please focus.
0/4 is the same as no lengths of 1/4. 1/4 is the same as 1 length of 1/4. 2/4 is the same as 2 lengths of 1/4.
Muhammad Al-Ghafli.
teacher.
Okay, my hero, can you continue
Select-
with me?
Yes.
The next one should be
The next one should
one?
be
3/4.
3/4.
3/4
3/4.
is the same as 3 lengths of 1/4.
And the whole one should be Muhammad Al-Ghafli. You're with me, my hero. Do not mute your mic.
2/4.
How many? Again?
4/4.
Excellent.
4/4 is the same as 4 lengths of 1/4.
Next, Muhammad. Muhammad Al-Ghafli. Great.
5/4 is the same as 5 lengths of 1/4.
Next, Muhammad.
6/4.
6/4 is the same as 6 lengths of 1/4.
Next.
6/4.
7/4.
7/4 is the same as 7 lengths of 1/4.
And what about the whole two? The whole two is
8/4 is the same as 8 lengths of 1/4.
great work, Muhammad. Thank you.
Are there more than 4 lengths or fewer than 4 lengths of 1/4 in 7/4?
Al-Hassan Al-Humaydan.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. More than or less than 4/4?
More than.
More than. So 7/4 is more than 4 lengths of 1/4. So it's more than 4/4. So it's more than 1. 7/4 is more than 1. Thank you, my hero.
There are more than 4 lengths of 1/4. Is 7/4 greater than 1 or less than 1? 7/4 is greater than 1. Now you know how you can use a number line to represent fractions greater than 1.
Please, my heroes, back to the book. And in the next page, we will go directly to question number 3. And I will explain to you the main idea. So everyone focus with this question. You will do the same with all questions. Okay? Let's see how we should start. I will choose one of the heroes to help me, but I will ask and he will help. Okay. رضا شقاقيق.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Rida, the first thing,
Yes.
of course, we need to read the question. Let me first read the question for you. And 3 and 4, each number line has equal lengths marked. Write the missing fractions. So we need to write what fraction is here and here. Before we start, I want to
1
ask...
over
Yes? Again?
1 over 3
Yes?
and 4 over 3.
Wow, you are a star. But we need to explain to your friends. Okay? So, Rida,
Okay.
stay with me. I will ask you some questions. The first question.
Yeah.
The distance between 0 and 1 is divided into how many lengths?
3.
Great, so let's count them, my heroes. This is 1, 2,
1,
3.
2, 3.
So the denominator is 3. The denominator is 3 for all fractions. So for any fraction here,
Yeah.
you will write any number and down 3. Okay?
Yes.
So the number of lengths between 0 and 1 determines the denominator.
1. Yes.
And when you get this, you can do any fraction here. You can write any fraction that you want. So let's see
Yeah.
the first one. The first one here is the first point after 0. So after 0, it will
Yes.
be, as you said before, 1.
1/3.
So 1/3 is here. And here is 2/3. Oh,
Yes.
this is 3/3, which is a whole
Yes.
one. Okay, after the
Yes.
whole one, after 3/3, it will be.
4/3.
Okay, so we read it 4/3.
Third.
You are a star. Thank you, my hero. Good work. And let's move to the next question. Sahmi?
Yes.
In question
Yes,
number
teacher.
4, let's do the same. What is the denominator? Down. The denominator means down. Remember?
Down.
Numerator, up, and
Up.
down,
Number-
denominator.
Denominator. Yes.
Which one I'm asking about? The denominator.
The denominator. Yes.
Okay, so you should see the distance between 0 and 1. It should be the same as the denominator. What is the
Yes.
denominator?
The denominator are
The denominator is, that we are using here, is,
sorry is
okay? In any fraction, in this fraction, in this fraction, in any of these
it is
fractions.
1 and 4. It is 1 and 4.
1 and okay, you mean this distance is 1/4? I agree with you that this is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. So the denominator here is 4. Okay, let's
Yeah.
do it. I will raise this and let's complete. The first fraction. Sahmi, this one. The first one is after 0, so
After the 0,
the first one, so 1/4.
3, 4.
Okay, now we have 2/4 and 3/4. The next will
Yes.
be
2.
okay. Again, Sahmi, the first one is 1/4. The second,
Yes.
2/4. Then 3/4. Then
2, 4.
after
1/4.
3/4.
2 and 4, I think.
Okay, but I have 2/4 before 3/4, not after. What is after 3/4? Add one more fourth. It will be
It will be
this is 3/4. The next one, add 1/4, so it will be
4 and 4.
4/4. Not 4 and
Yes.
4. Okay, read it well. Okay, now as you can see here, my hero, 4/4 is equivalent to whole one. Okay, let's continue. The next. Quickly, Sahmi. After 4/4.
Yes, teacher. 5. Okay.
Yes, 5 what?
5 and 5.
No.
4. And
No.
4.
No, that's not how we read it. Read it well. 5/4.
5/4.
Okay, and after 5/4 we have 6/4. So what is the next one? The next fraction?
3. 3.
No. Put up 6.
After 6/4. My heroes, just count 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4, 6/4. So
6.
we have already 6/4. This is the
Yes.
next one after 6/4.
Teacher, hear me.
Yes. I hear you, yes. What do you want? I'm listening.
Put up 4.
Okay.
6.
Okay. And down?
And down, put 5.
5? Like this? Sahmi, like this, 6/5, 6/5.
Yeah.
Why?
Because here in 1.
As you can see, we don't change the denominator, the 4. We don't change it.
This 4. Sorry, not 5.
So I will raise it again. What's your answer?
And write 4. Down, write 4.
Okay.
And up. What here? Put
Okay, I heard you. Now it's my
I
turn. You should hear. You should listen. Okay. Muhammad Al Ali, you have a note. Sahmi, you should listen. Okay.
Okay. Teacher, I don't know the answer.
I know that you don't know. I'm helping you. Starting from this one. Read this one.
1/4.
Okay. So after 1/4, 2/4. Complete with me. Say with me. 3/4. 4/4. Huh? 5/4. Huh? 6/4. Huh?
7.
7/4. So this one
And
is 7. Yes, this is 7/4. And the next one is 8/4, which is a whole 2. Okay, Sahmi?
Yes.
Now, do you have any problems?
No, thank you.
Okay, now you know that we don't change the denominator. Okay,
Yes.
my heroes, let's move to the next question. And okay, you have 1 minute to solve questions 5, 6, and 7. Go ahead. My heroes, questions 5, 6, and 7. 1 minute, quickly.
Me, teacher, I'm sick, me.
Everyone, solve it in your book.
Oh, yes.
Write the fractions.
Teacher, I'm Muhammad Al-Ghafla. I don't hear anything.
I'm not speaking. I said solve question 5, 6, and 7. And now, my heroes, let's continue. Ibrahim.
Here, Mister, here.
Okay.
Here.
Do you remember the first question that I ask every time? The distance between 0 and 1 is divided into how many parts? How many lengths? Ziad, you have a note. this distance is divided into 3 equal lengths?
Yeah. No, no, 2.
Oh,
2.
so the denominator is 2. Okay? So,
Yeah.
what is this point?
1/2.
Excellent. Thank you, my hero. Okay, let's move to the next question. Haydar? Haydar?
Here.
Question number 6.
Here.
Again, the
Mister,
first
I don't
question
see
that
you
I ask
clear.
every time, what is
I
the...
don't see you so clear.
Oh, you
I
have a
don't see
problem?
you so clear.
Okay, Haydar, try to solve this problem. But I'm asking you about question number 6. Do you see it in your book?
Wait.
Okay, Haydar, please watch the video in Classera and try to solve your problem about the screen. Thank you, Haydar. Mute your mic. Rida
Question
Sultan.
635.
Rida Sultan. Rida Sultan. Rida Al-Ali. Rida Al-Ali.
Yes.
Okay, in question number 6, Rida, the distance between 1 and 0 is divided into how many equal parts? How many equal lengths? Of course, as you can see, it's how many equal lengths?
Three.
No, 2.
Four.
Which question are we solving, Rida? Can you see my screen?
Yeah. 6.
Okay, the distance between 0 and 1 is divided into 2 equal lengths. So the denominator here is 2. Okay, so let's do this. The first point is 1/2. The second point, the 1, should be 2/2. So what is the next fraction?
3.
3 what? Halves. 3/2. 3/2. Read it.
3/2.
3/2.
3/2.
Thank you, my hero. Great work. Hussein,
I'm here.
go ahead. Question number 7. It started with 1/6.
Number 7.
So the next one will be?
2 6s.
Great. Wow, I like my heroes. And here we have 3 sectors. So the next will be? The next will be Hussein. Continue.
Next will be 4 6s. 5 6s.
Okay, thank you, my hero. Great work. Okay, my heroes, now let's move to the next question. Please write quickly. Quickly, my heroes. 10 seconds and we move down.
I just have my mistake.
Okay, Khalid. Okay, now my heroes, let's move down. Okay, let's start with question number 8. This time, my heroes, we will do something extra. Divide the number line first into equal lengths and write the missing fractions. I need one of my heroes to help me. Hassan Yusuf. Hassan Yusuf.
Here.
Okay, my hero in question number 8. The distance between 0 and 1. This distance. It's not divided. We need to divide it. The question asks us to divide. We need to divide it into how many parts? How many equal lengths?
3.
Can you explain why?
Because we have to divide this into thirds.
Wow, I like this answer. I like this answer. We need to divide it into thirds. Each one should be 1/3. Okay, so let's divide the distance between 0 and 1. I have this is 2/3, so I need 1 here. And as you can see here, this is 1/3, and this is another 1/3, and this is another 1/3. So we have here 3/3 between 0 and 1. Okay. So let's write the first fraction. The first fraction is here.
1/3.
Great. And now we move to the distance between 1. Okay. Between 1 and 2, and divide it also into how many parts? How many equal lengths? The same. 3 equal lengths. So divide it into 3. And the distance between 2 and 3, divide it also into 3. Okay, now let's complete it. Go ahead, my hero. This is 2/3. So one whole,
After that,
yes, is
we
3/3.
put
Okay.
3/3.
Okay, and
Then we
here,
put after it 4/3. Then after that we put 5/3.
and the whole 2 is
6/3.
after 6/3 after the whole 2.
7/3. 8/3.
And the whole 3 is.
And the whole 3 is 9/3.
Thank you, Yusuf. You are a star. Okay, my heroes. Let's move to the next question. Muammal.
I am here.
Okay. As you can see here, Muammal, this is 1/8. So the distance between 0 and 1, this distance, all of it, we need to divide it into how many parts?
2.
What? 2? No.
1.
8. This distance should be divided into, look at the denominator. I
1.
told you. The denominator down into 8. So we have here 1. So the next one will be here. What?
2, 8.
Okay. And I need to divide it to write 2/8 and 3/8 because this one is 4/8, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's divide it. So here 2/8.
3/8.
Okay, 4/8, and we need between 4/8 and 7/8. How many marks? How many fractions?
We must 2.
So the first one is
5/8.
the next.
6/8.
Okay, and here we have 7/8, and the whole one itself is 8/8.
8.
Great. And after 8/8, we can put more here. So the next one will be
9/8.
and after 9/8.
10/8.
Thank
10
you.
items.
You are a star. Wow, I have many stars in this class. Thank you, my hero. Great work. Okay, now my heroes, I will send to you the link of the game.